Every smart sketch starts with a plan. Where should you begin? And in what order? A few seconds of thinking can save minutes of fixing. Smart sketching is all about planning. Before you start, take a moment to look at the whole shape. Notice the main contours and overall geometry. Understanding the big picture first helps you avoid mistakes later. Decide where your origin should be and which axes make sense. Usually, the center or a key corner works best. This will guide all your lines and keep the sketch organized. Check if the shape has symmetry. If it does, you can plan to draw only one side and mirror the rest. This saves time and ensures a balanced sketch. Think about the order you'll draw the sketch. Start with the main outline first, then add secondary shapes and leave small details for last. This keeps everything stable as you go. Spot the key dimensions that define the sketch. Knowing these in advance lets you enter the correct sizes immediately and avoid conflicts later. Look for tricky areas in your sketch, like tangent curves or tight intersections. Plan ahead how to simplify them so you don't get stuck halfway. So, just a few seconds of planning before you sketch can save you a lot of fixing later. Start smart, and the whole design process becomes faster and easier.
Support the channel with a like and subscribe to keep learning faster.
And here's a quick tip. When you trim extra elements, sometimes the sketch can break because other geometry is linked to them. Instead of trimming, convert those lines to construction. This keeps the references you need without ruining the main profile.